So this is the continuation of your last video. Okay, so in the last video we have discussed up to question number 3. Now question number 4, find the missing numerator. You have to find the missing numerator. So for this, what I will do, here you this one, this box, inside the box what it will be, that one you have to find. So for this, what I have to do, so this term I have written in the left side, and all the term, this term I have shifted to that side. So here plus is given previously, so while I will shift to that side, it will be minus. Okay, so I have written minus. Now see, all the whole number part I am separating. 6 minus 4, after that fractional part, plus 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, and your this LCM of 12 will be 12, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, now see, so there we have got this one, 2 plus 2 by 12. Okay, so it will be 2 plus 1 by 6. 2 plus 1 by 6 means how much? 2 1 by 6. That means inside your that blank it will be 1. Okay, now see question number 5. Mohit needs to work 45 hours per week. He has worked 38 7 by 9 hours so far this week. How many hours does he need to work on Friday to meet the 45 hours requirement? Okay, so in this question it is given, in 1 week Mohit needs to work how much? 45 hours total. He needs to work this much, 45 hours. Okay, so up to your Thursday he work how much? He works 38 7 by 9 hours. Okay, means total out of this 45 hours he worked this much. So to meet this 45 hours, how much work he has to do now? Okay, see in this question, Mohit needs to work how much? 45 hours. He work how much? He worked 38 7 by 9 hours. So how much work he has required? That means from this total 45 we have to subtract that one. So if you subtract, you will get the answer. That one calculation you have to do by yourself. So now see question number 6. Find x if 9 minus 5 7 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. Here we need to find x. So I will take the variable in one side, and all the numericals I will take in the another side. So here your variable is only x. Variable means which value we don't know, that one we have to find, that is called the variables. So all the constant, this one by 8 numerical number, all the term I will shift in one side, and all the numericals I will shift in another side. Okay, to check it once. See, 9 minus 5 7 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. So 9 minus 5 7 by 8, this 1 by minus 1 by 8 I have shifted to this side. If I shift to this side, it will be plus, because I have changed the side I have changed. If I change the side, it will be plus. Okay, so 9 minus 5 7 1 by 8 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal to x. X I have kept in that side only, no change for this x, only numerical I have shifted. Okay, now LCM of this one you have to take. LCM will be 8 only, so 8. So 9 how much? Here 9 is there, that means your LCM will be how much? 72. 9 8 is 72. Okay, so 9 8 is 8 LCM I have taken. So here 9 8 is 72. 8 how much? 8 1 is 8, so 147 is 47, and then 8 1 is 8, so it will be 1 only. Okay, so 72 minus 47 plus 1, so 72 plus 1 means 73. 73 minus 47 is 26, that means 26, and the denominator 8 is there, so it will be 26 by 8. So 26 by 8 I can do the cancellation by 2. So if I do the cancellation by 2, it will be 13 by 4. That will be your answer. Okay, now exercise 2b. See the exercise 2b. In the exercise 2b, multiply, you have to do the multiplication is very easy. See, suppose this question is given, so here what is your numerator? 2, and here what is your numerator? 11. What is your denominator here? 3. Here what is your denominator? Nothing is there, means I can write it as 11 by 1, that means 1 is there. So for this multiplication, what I have to do the multiplication of numerator and then multiplication of denominator. So what are your numerator? 2 and 11, and denominator 3 and 1. So 2 and 11, it will be 22, and denominator will be 3, that means 22 by 3. Okay, so similar, 2 numbers are same, 3 numbers are same, 4 number, 5 number, like this you have to do. See question number 6. Question number, it is mixed fraction given. So mixed fraction you have to write in improper fraction. So first let it convert. 6 10s are 60 plus 9, 69 by 10. 23 1s are 23 plus 1 24. So now all the numerator denominator you have to do multiplication. So do the multiplication of numerator and denominator. 69 into 24 it will be numerator, and denominator will be 10 into 23. So after doing the simplification, 23 3s are 69, and 10 into 24, 2 12s are 24, 2 5s are 10, that means 12 into 3, and denominator will be 5. 12 3s are 36 by 5. Okay, find the product of this. Here product means multiplication only. Here you have to do the multiplication. So how to do the multiplication? So I am doing the toughest one. This one I am doing. Okay, so let's check how to do the multiplication. So 9 2 by 3 into 1, all the mixed fraction given, so you have to convert it in the improper fraction. So 9 3 is the 27, 27 plus 2 29, then 29 into 1 29 plus 1 30, 15 6 by 15, and 5 7 is 35 plus 1 36. So if you do the cancellation, you will get 144 by 5. Okay, so here one important things we are going to discuss while doing simplification. Simplification means in one question, suppose it is given 2 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 19 divided by 1, like this given. That means addition, multiplication, division all together it is given. So at that time what you have to do, which one you have to do first? So for this some rules are there. So that rule is called as a Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule means, so what is Bodmas rule? Bodmas rule means B bracket, O for off, D for division, check here, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. That means if in one problem, suppose it is given inside the, that means this is the priorities. First you have to complete the bracket work, then after off, then after division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So let's discuss with one example. Okay, so see here, just you have to remember what is the full form of Bodmas. Bodmas means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, so off means what? Off means multiplication only. So here see 3 by 4 of 32 kg. 3 by 4 of 32 kg, that means 3 by 4 into 32. 4 how much? 4 8 ja 32. So 3 8 ja 24, that means 24 kg. Okay, here see 2 by 7 of 1 week. 2 by 7 of 1 week. 1 week means 1 week I have written. Okay, but this 1 week, can I write it as a 7 days? Because here 7 is there, then only we can cancel now. So I have written here 7 days. So if I cancel this 7 7, it will be how much? 2, and here 1 is there. 2 into 1 2, that means 2 days. That means 2 by 7 of 1 week is 2 days. Similarly 3 4 5, this one you have to do by yourself. 6 number you see 4 by 5 of 1 by 24. 4 by 5 of means multiplication. After that what is given? 1 by 24. So 4 6 are 24, 1 by 5 6 are 30. This would be answer. So 7 number, that one also same. 8 number also you have to do. Now see 4 number, simplify using what? Using Bodmas rule you have to simplify. See here only simplify given. See whenever you will get the numerical solving problems of where multiplication, division, addition all together are given, so that means several number of application is given, mathematical application like your addition, subtraction, division, multiplications. At that time you have to apply this Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule means the priority. First you have to give the priority to bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here see, here bracket given, addition is there, multiplication. So which one you have to do first? You have to do the bracket. So first I will complete the bracket work. So inside the bracket what are there? Addition is there, that means that work I have to do. So before doing that, what you have, this mixed fraction I have to write in improper fraction. Okay, so here it is given 2 4 by 5 means 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5 and then 13 by 10. Okay, so this work I need to complete because bracket is given. So LCM of 5 10 10. So now 5 how much are 5 2s are 10, 2 14s are 28, then it will be 28 by 13. Okay, so after that here multiplication is given now. Multiplication what? 1 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So after doing the addition, that addition is how much? 41 by 10. Okay, after that I can do the multiplication because now see, now multiplication is only there, that means I have to complete the multiplication what? So 41 into 3 123, 2 into 10 20. So 2 number 3 number, so you have to do by yourself. Now see 4 number it is given 3 1 by 4 into 2 1 by 3 minus 1 1 by 4 into 1 by 5. Here two operations are there, multiplication and subtraction. So according to Bodmas rule, what you have to do? See, before subtraction what does it come? Multiplication, M-A-S, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So first you have to do the multiplication. So before doing multiplication, what you have to do? Mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 12, 13 by 4, like this. Improper fraction I have done. So after that this 5 5 I will cancel. Now 1 by 4, 13 into 7 91, 4 3s are 12. So after taking the LCM, 4 and 12 LCM will be 12, then 91 minus 3, that means 88 by 12. 88 by 12 means here 22 by 3. 22 by 3 means in mixed fraction it will be how much? It will be 7 1 by 3. Okay, so with this here this video finished. So in the next video we will discuss some another problem. Okay, bye bye.